FAQs about Nepenthes Vivid Machine. When it comes to carnivorous plants, Nepenthes Vivid Machine stands out with its striking appearance and intriguing growing habits. As a passionate plant enthusiast, I've gathered some common questions and answers about this unique plant. Here's everything you need to know about Nepenthes Vivid Machine. See more 207 species in genus Nepenthes at monsteraholic.com. What is Nepenthes Vivid Machine? Nepenthes Vivid Machine is a type of tropical pitcher plant known for its vibrant and eye-catching pitchers. Native to Southeast Asia, this plant is part of the Nepenthaceae family, renowned for their insect-trapping abilities. The Vivid Machine cultivar is particularly notable for its vivid coloration and robust growth, making it a favorite among carnivorous plant collectors. How to care for Nepenthes Vivid Machine. Caring for Nepenthes Vivid Machine involves replicating its natural tropical environment. Here are some key care tips. Light. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light. Place it near a window with filtered sunlight or use grow lights. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. Temperature. Nepenthes Vivid Machine prefers warm temperatures between 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 29 degrees Celsius, during the day and slightly cooler at night. Avoid exposing it to temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. Humidity. High humidity is crucial for this plant. Aim for 50 to 70% relative humidity. If you live in a dry area, consider using a humidity tray or a room humidifier. Watering. Use distilled or rainwater, as tap water can harm the plant. Keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged. Allow the top layer to dry out slightly between waterings. Soil. Nepenthes Vivid Machine grows best in a mix of sphagnum moss, perlite, and orchid bark. This blend ensures good aeration and drainage. How to propagate Nepenthes Vivid Machine. Propagation of Nepenthes Vivid Machine can be done through several methods. Leaf cuttings. This is the most common method. Take a healthy leaf cutting, preferably with a bit of stem, and place it in a container with a moist, sphagnum moss mix. Keep the cutting in a warm, humid environment until roots and new growth appear. Seed. If you have access to seeds, you can sow them on a moist sphagnum moss surface. Keep them warm and humid until they germinate, which can take several weeks to months. What to plant with Nepenthes Vivid Machine. When growing Nepenthes Vivid Machine, consider companion plants that share similar care requirements. Sarracenia. These North American pitcher plants have similar moisture and light needs. Drosera. Sundews can thrive in the same conditions and complement the Nepenthes with their unique appearance. Utricularia. These bladderworts are another carnivorous plant that can grow well alongside Nepenthes, adding diversity to your collection. How to use Nepenthes Vivid Machine. Nepenthes Vivid Machine isn't just an ornamental plant. Here's how you can make the most of it. Insect control. Place it in areas where you want to manage insect populations. Its pitcher traps effectively catch and digest insects. Decorative piece. The plant's vibrant pitchers make it an excellent addition to terrariums, desk setups, or as a conversation piece in any room. Is Nepenthes Vivid Machine toxic? Nepenthes Vivid Machine is not toxic to humans or pets. The plant's digestive enzymes are designed to break down insects, not animals. However, it's best to keep it out of reach of small children and pets who might be curious and could accidentally damage the plant or ingest parts of it. Common problems and solutions. Brown pitchers. If the pitchers turn brown, it may be a sign of insufficient humidity or improper watering. Adjust the care conditions and prune any damaged pitchers. Pest issues. Although rare, pests like aphids or spider mites can affect Nepenthes. Regularly check the plant and treat any infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Final thoughts. Nepenthes Vivid Machine is a fantastic addition to any plant collection, especially if you appreciate the unique beauty and functionality of carnivorous plants. With the right care and environment, this plant can thrive and bring a touch of exotic flair to your space. Remember to keep an eye on its needs and enjoy the process of nurturing this vibrant and fascinating species.